Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Thank you, babe. Some toast. Let me tell you the latest post. Bismillah, fulfill the covenant. Spinning crown of birds from the underground. Cash, talk. Best roots from a bee. A smell. Party boo-boos, grass, tank dog, hard as rock, do or dies. When it's cause to celebrate with someone praise. Instead, self-ready, grass, tank tyrants behind us, rock, do or die, human spare tactics. Lord, this say as you like, but don't push us one tree, lest you sin. Adam should have known to have shamed him, and to avoid the despair, Lord advised him, but he disobeyed. Instead of Lord saying, go to that one tree, see if someone bring birds from the underground, so farmer Mazo. But Satan had rebelled and knew the Lord was going to say, go to that tree, go to that tree, but instead they changed the scene to the fruit, to game mastering, spinning crown, instead of birds from the underground. And they all started thinking it was divine. 50 Cent blasting, saying, of the Lord, I'm a MFP. And most believe God Wolverine was good to humiliate humans, but saving cash proves that not that bad, and it saved us from two disgraceful black Muslim world and masses falling. Instead, it's just not that bad. It's same old day, same old bullshit. It was awesome news, Bismillah. The Buddha said, how you begin your day, you can make your day or break your day. Your attitude, your actions have a strong effect on your whole day. Begin with a smile, a calmness of mind and heart, filled with gratitude, positive mindset. That's going to be a wonderful day. I begin my day Mrs. Cook's breakfast, fresh toast, and one pot of tea. I had a bit of hemp tea and a whole plant trichome farm from my sister's shop and our Uncle Herb behind pouch or hemp leaf from eBay. I had a few of the nice supplements, and it helps me escape time to and enjoy life more. And I find I'm taking my mind to better horizons. I just feel high to value all the retribution, all the tape roots, all the war that I'm paying on. I feel I'm feeling high. I no longer feel or worry. I said along, healing the flimsy classes of root of evil fibers that do not like seeing original humans, living as nature intelligence. I make a few songs about my breakfast. I made a few songs about my breakfast. I feel blessed by my nightly fast and having nice, fresh, yummy food and teas. Don't make God great Pakistan. Don't make Alagash an Englishman. When they meet God great, it's like all the best in Queen Englishman. When they meet Alagash, it's like ending up like Child of Adam. So, soft cheese. Just a little bit, really little bit. And what else are you gonna put in it? Some resveratrol, anti-aging, boost nads. It's a very good nads booster. Gets you going all day long. What else we can put in it? I actually put a bit of rocket fuel. Gary my tiny حفاظت for me. وهشكنا ونحكي على حاجة إن شاء الله. الله أكبر. بدلاين إن شاء الله. ندير أي برانا special flavor بدايين. Filipino. Nakisabi yun din the Canadian. Pakistani sweets. Oh, Pakistani sweets. Okay. Blah. Blah. Cannon shape. Look this tea, man. It's from one recycling of the cup. Just to keep it fresh. Should I leave it there? Enjoy your breakfast, Cash? Inshallah. Inshallah.